Hello and welcome to KoMo Do It Yourself. Today I will show you how to use the interchangeable milling system. If you not only want to grind the normal grains in your grain mill, but also want to grind, for example, coffee, then the interchangeable milling system is perfect for your needs. And it is available for all our grain mills. For the first step, please unplug your grain mill. Then remove the funnel with a left turning movement until it's loose. Now remove the upper stone, also named the static stone, and put it on the side. As a next step, we remove the bottom stone, also called the rotating stone, with the included Allen key. And we remove the screw with a right turning movement. Once this is loose, you can remove it with your hand. With this screw, you also remove the mice crusher and the washer. Now it's time to remove the bottom stone with the included wire. Just easily put it under the rotating stone and pull it upwards to remove the stone. Please note to only use the included grinding stones from your interchangeable milling system. Now we can put in the silicone insert. Now take the included rotating stone and put it in with the brush down. When the rotating stone has been inserted again, it can be tightened. Please note that this screw is a counterclockwise screw. Now we will take the static stone and place it upside down on our grain mill. In the next step, we will take the two ceilings and place them over the holes on the left and the right side of your static stone. When the ceilings are fixed, we can take our static stone and put it in its place. In the last step, when we are finished with putting in our interchangeable milling system, we can turn back on our funnel. Now you can plug in your grain mill again and can start grinding, for example, coffee or various spices. That's it for KoMo Do It Yourself from today. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact us at komo.bio. See you next time at KoMo Do It Yourself.